In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment method on Patreon. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to add a card or PayPal so your pledges process smoothly and you can support creators without hiccups. First, open your browser and go to patreon.com, then log into your account. Make sure you're on the official site and using a secure connection. If you use two-factor authentication, complete that prompt as usual. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your home or dashboard. Next, head to Settings. On desktop, you'll typically find this by clicking your profile photo or avatar in the top corner and then selecting Settings from the menu. This takes you to your account controls, where you manage things like profile details, notifications, and billing. From there, look for payment methods. It may be listed under a Payments or Billing section within Settings. Click that to open the page where you can see any saved payment options and add a new one. This is the place you'll come back to later if you ever need to update or remove a method or set a default option. Now click Add Payment Method. This button opens a secure form where you can choose how you want to pay. Patreon supports major debit and credit cards, and you can also use PayPal in many regions. If you're adding a card, enter the card number, expiration date, and security code, along with the name on the card and your billing address. Be sure the address matches what your bank has on file. Mismatches are a common cause of declines. Double-check each field for typos before you continue. Patreon uses encrypted payment processing, and you might see a small temporary authorization on your statement to verify the card. It typically disappears shortly after. If you prefer PayPal, select that option and follow the prompts to sign in and approve the connection. You'll be redirected back to Patreon when it's done. Make sure the PayPal account has a valid funding source linked, so your pledges process on time. When everything looks correct, click Add to save your new payment method. You should see it appear in your list right away. If you have more than one method, you can choose which one to use by default for future pledges. That's it. Your payment method is now set up and ready to go. If you ever run into errors, clearing your browser cache, trying a different browser, or confirming your billing zip or postal code usually fixes it. Thanks for watching, and happy supporting on Patreon.